Hello friends, day 73, and a couple of significant things happened this morning. So first of all, I stocked up with food at the post office in Kinlochewe because the next shop is 160 miles away, so my pack is currently pretty heavy. And the other thing is that Robyn sadly decided that she was going to cut her trip short because of an injury to her hip. So I waved goodbye to her as she left on the bus for Inverness, the bus that runs twice a week on Saturday or Tuesday. So off she went, and off I set on my own and came out of Kinlochewe, climbing up steadily for about 7 or 8 miles, and then it levelled out a bit, and I have ended up the day at another Bothy, the Shenavall Bothy. So see you on the trail.